Welcome to Chart Forecaster. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be breaking down Adobe. And like I mentioned in the last video, there are some AI fears, which I've been talking about now for the last week or two. And I do think that Adobe is setting up for a nice bounce here. And we'll use chartforecaster.com because chartforecaster.com has been telling us to watch out for 3 important dates and times with Adobe. And you can see how well Chart Forecaster works. Basically, it's been tracking Adobe now. It's been basically calling reversals down to the hour, increased volatility, things of that nature. So Salesforce and Adobe see their stock slide as AI fear intensifies. And I was telling you guys in one of the last videos I did on Adobe, I love their products. I hate their business ethics when it comes to not listening to the creators that are using their products. I can't tell you how much time I've lost due to bugs in Adobe Premiere Pro or Photoshop for that matter. So I love their products. They're absolutely amazing. But now we're seeing a lot of competition out there for companies that can just say, hey, upload your video, prompt what you want done with this, and the AI will automatically edit a lot of these videos. Now, for a lot of the heavier productions, Premiere Pro will obviously be best utilized with human control. But there's going to be a lot of sliding of people dropping off as more of this AI competition comes into play, because a lot of people are just editing very basic videos like this one. But there is a very nice falling wedge, and there was a very nice harmonic pattern which stripped the price down to these levels. And if you're a pattern trader, this is one of the best things that you'll ever realize happen to you is chartforecaster.com. And simply it's telling us that on Tuesday's open, really tomorrow at 2000 hours UTC time, and this is very important, this is all UTC time, that there'll be a market low or high and a common reversal point. Now, they're also saying that January 22nd at 1500 hours UTC, bullish or bearish momentum will start building, and on January 26th at 447, volatility spikes, breakouts will occur. So with that said, the last prediction that Chart Forecaster made was on the 14th, and it predicted this as a momentum peak area. So it kind of nailed the area down within a couple dollars. But I do think that the open on Tuesday, we're going to see this falling wedge really start to rip here. And at least I'm expecting the price action on Adobe to come up and meet this 50 moving average, and maybe it'll bounce back down to test the trend line and then hopefully come up to this 200 moving average at some point further on down the road. Maybe we'd see something like this happen where we see price come up, come down, and test, something like this occur going into the end of January and February. But right now, my main focus is simply on this whole setup here with this falling wedge. And if I want to open a long position to see if I can maybe tag some of these higher price tags around that $300 to $325 range, I might be looking, if we see a nice breakout, of picking up like a $310 call option or something like that. See you guys on the next video.